One day, you'll realize you've already lived through some of the best days of your life, and you didn't even know it at the time. You were too busy chasing what's next, busy worrying about what's missing, thinking happiness was something you'd arrive at one day. Once, everything finally made sense. But while you were waiting, you were laughing with people who won't always be around. You were making memories in places you'll one day drive past and feel something you can't explain. You were standing in moments that didn't feel like the good old days till they were gone. That's the thing no one tells you. You rarely recognize happiness when you're standing in it. It feels too ordinary, too small to matter, till it becomes a memory you'd give anything to experience again. But right now, you're still in it. You still have the people, the moments, the chances, the ordinary days you'll one day call some of your favorite. So stop waiting for life to start. You're already living it.